Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tori, and in today's video I am sharing a really cool multitasking hair tool that you guys are going to want to get your hands on. So first of all, before we jump too far into the video, thank you to Revlon for sending me this for this video and for collaborating with me for today's tutorial. This is the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One-Step Hairdryer and Volumizer. So as you can see there are two different types of bristles that both help grab your hair and grip the hair in different ways. Also, you will notice the oval shape, and that's what also helps with volumizing your hair as well. There are three settings on here. So there is a cool, low, and high. So a couple of reasons that I really love this is that it saves you time in drying, and so less time styling and using a hot tool on your hair equals less damage. The next reason is that it is lightweight, and it's so much easier than holding a round brush and a blow dryer and getting an arm workout all in one. This is just my hair towel dried straight out of the shower, so I'm just kind of going to comb or pick through my hair first, section it off, and then start using this. So let's jump into it. Okay, so this is my hair completely dry and completely styled, and it took me 15 minutes. It's volumized, it's straight and shiny, and it's really soft. If you take away anything from this video, I just want you to know how easy this is to use and how much time you're going to save. It's amazing. All right, and lastly, you can shop for this bad boy at RevlonHairTools.com. I'll put the link in the description below, along with a promo code for you guys. So let me know if you have any questions. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Have a good day. Bye.